Hey guys, how's it going? How to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. So first of all, go ahead and open up your profile or your Instagram, right? And then just go ahead and click your profile icon at the bottom, right? Okay? And basically go ahead and click the three bars at the top right, and then basically scroll a little bit down, or just type right here, download, right? Archive and downloading. You can be able right here to see the second option, download your information, right? And then select the download or transfer information, select the account, and if you want all of the available information, just go ahead and select the first option, or some of your information like the followers info, right? Or followers and following, right? Basically you're gonna be able to go along, right? And then just go ahead and click download to device, and then create a file, and they're gonna send you an email that they actually viewed your request, and then they're gonna send you an approval, and then you're gonna be able to see your files appearing in the information and permission, or in the download your information section, right? You can see it right here, and then you're gonna be able to open up the file, right? And then you're gonna be able to know who followed you on Instagram, who unfollowed you on Instagram too. So let's know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.